Shall we go and do a little bit of Q&A?
Yeah.
What do you think then we should be working on with this Q&A? Should we just drive around and look at potential hazards and think about how we would ask about certain situations?
Yeah.
Would there be anything specifically that you'd like to go and work on with your Q&A? It could be roundabouts, it could be crossroads, it could be pedestrian crossings. Is there anything subject matter that you'd feel as though you would benefit from, or should we just leave it very general and
just general, I think, because I think once I get it generally,
yeah,
it'll all fit into place when
Okay.
when I'm doing subjects.
What we shall do then is
should I say that to you then?
what do you think?
No, because you dealt with it, like, but I mean, we should have learned it, or was it you?
I was talking to me.
Oh, okay.
What was he doing?
He shouldn't have done that. He
No,
should have
he
waited.
No,
yeah.
he's coming into our lane.
Yeah.
So does mean just because we've got a learner top on that we have to then stop for him? No. Was I ready to stop?
Yeah.
100%. And I always am. But there are rules there for a reason.
Yeah.
All right. What are the rules there for? So people know what to do. And what were the rules there?
Don't go into the other lane.
Great.
Wait until it's clear.
Shall I just go round this now because there's vans coming the other way? Because I want to go first. It doesn't work like that, does it? Okay.